All right. Good evening, traders. We are back again to check what the market holds for us this week, this new week. It's a joy. We're in a new month, and our analysis will be for the week of November the 4th to November the 8th. Our analysis for last week was highly profitable, although we had some major moves based on price action. Price action changed the move we were expecting for last week. We have made an analysis and we said we're going to look at price turning around the 2892 area or 2920 area, and price went way past that area. So what do we have for this week? Well, for those that are subscribed to my signal service, we had reasons to move upwards as price action changed. And right now, we'll be looking at what the market holds for us for this new week. Gold did quite impressive last week. We saw prices go down to the level I said it was going to get to. Went past our safe zone, went to our critical zone, and took off from there. We'll look at that also this week and give us quite some good profits. Now, let's start with the GBP USD pair, and we're doing a top-down analysis as we have always done. And based on the weekly, 2 weeks ago we saw price being bearish, although it didn't close below this key level at 1.2758. It didn't get there. So basically I was looking for a retest, a 50% to 61% retest of this candle, and price went way beyond that. So now what do we look forward to this week? Basically, we could see prices go higher after a small retest of the lows. But what I want to see is price really coming to this critical zone around 2755 area or 2765 area before we head higher. I want to see price come down to this point. Let's zoom in and take a clearer view. Now, on the daily, we have a double top formed around the 1.2980 area. Price is got there, retested the lows, and came back there. And we didn't see a break and close above it. So basically, one should expect a sell. Now, our sell might just be down to 1.2885 area or 80 area, or we could see prices go, once price closes below this low, we'll be heading down to the 1.2735 area. Once price closes below 1.2788, once there's a break and close below this level, we'll go down to 1.2735. So basically we could go short a little bit here to this key level at 1.2830 area, and if there is no reversal candle like what we have here, we have a doji on Friday's candle on GBP USD was a doji. So we expect prices to go lower. A break of this low will go to, I'm looking forward to prices getting down to 1.2850 area before we head higher. But as it comes lower, if there's a strong momentum candle downwards, I expect it to really come into this zone, which could come at as low as 1.2. I'm looking forward to get to 1.2735, that range, 1.2735 before we head higher. So that's my take for GBP USD. So our next pair, we'll be looking at GBP JPY, and we have something similar to that on the GBP USD. Prices went as high as where I said it to get to. I was looking at price getting to 140.40. You can check my previous video for last week, and we shot past that with about 20 pips, so about 25 pips, and closed just touched that high and started closing a bit lower. So basically, what do I expect? On the weekly, we have something that looks like a hammer, and we have for GBP JPY, we're still looking at the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Now on daily, what do I have? I have a bearish engulfing candle on Thursday, engulfed to engulfed price action for Wednesday and Tuesday, and we got a doji. So what would I do here? What we'll do is to place a pending stop, a sell stop below the low. Our pending stop will be a 10 pips pending stop at 139.50, and we'll aim for the next level of support, which is at 138.10. Look for reversal candles around here. We could still go lower, and if we head lower, we'll be looking forward to hit the 135.90 area. We always give room for spread. Basically, I'm looking for it to hit the midpoint of the Bollinger Band at 138.10. Place a pending sell stop here and aim for this place. Normally, we give updates as the week unfolds, as price action unfolds for the week. So basically, what I'm expecting as market opens is that will be what my first point of action for GBP. And when it comes lower, I'm looking forward to, it might come real lower beyond, it might come lower beyond this TP, take profit point at 138.10. If it comes lower, we're looking forward to hit 135.90. So what we're looking for, we're looking forward to reversal candles around this point. If there's a break and close, if a break and close below this point, we'll be looking forward to another reversal candle around the 135.90 area, and we will be reversing to go upwards. We'll be reversing to go upwards. And when we go upwards, our first point of call, I think looking for the price getting to 143, 143 area, 143 area. But it will be after the pullback. Let's look at the next pair. If we look at gold, let's look at what we have on the weekly. I have so much here. I have so much here. Let me remove the fibs. Remove fibs first. On the weekly. Now, based on what we have on the weekly, we'll see price action heading higher for gold. So we're looking forward to see prices go upwards because price action has given us a hammer. Price tested this low and has closed bullish. And the candle formation we have here is telling us price seeks to go higher. We could use the weekly to get our entry by placing a buy stop above this high at 15. The high is at 1516.05, and would place a 20 pip stop above it at 1518, and excuse me, and see prices go up to the next key level of resistance at 1533. So we can place a sell stop, sorry, a buy stop, mixing up things. We place a buy stop above this high at 1518 and aim for the next level of resistance, a key level here at 1533, 1533 or 1535. We can place it at 1533, give room for spread for the week. Of course, if price has sufficient momentum to break and close above this, we'll be looking forward to the next key level of resistance at 1561. At your price is likely to go. Of course, we might see a small retracement of this week's move before we go higher. Let's just zoom in and get a little bit detail on what we expect prices to do. We have something that looks like a doji, a hammer candle here that closed on Friday. Friday's number looks like a hammer. We might see retests down to 1506, 1506 before we go higher. We might see a retest of this area at 1506, 1505 before we go higher. Let's see, can we take advantage of this move? I think let's just wait and see. Allow price to retrace. Let's see. We can wait for price to retrace our level before we go higher. Let's allow price to retrace that level and just keep our buy stop and wait for prices. That's the safest thing to do. Wait for prices to break upwards with momentum and take us to our next level of resistance. Let's look at the next pair, Euro JPY. For Euro JPY, let's look at our weekly candles and know what to do about it. Now, for the from the weekly, what we have here is prices have retested these highs and has closed a bit lower, although the price action is always has been a bullish week. Now, so what do we make out of this? Basically, because price has retested this resistance that has turned to support, I expect prices to still go higher. Let's zoom in. Although what I have here looks like a horizontal box. Sorry, a flag pattern. We have something like that looks like a flag pattern, but the price action on on Thursday was quite bearish, and we might see prices go a bit lower, yeah, because we have a candle that engulfs 3 days move. And now, if for me, we could still wait for a breakout of this to go lower, yeah, to go a bit lower. We could even come as low as 119.335. But first of all, what can we make out of this? Where do we stand? Let's zoom in a little bit again, looking at the 4 hours. Now on 4 hours, we have a spinning top here at the midpoint of the Bollinger Band. And basically, we could see prices come retest these lows. For me, yeah, could retest this low here at this point using a pending sell order at this point. And once we break and close below this point, we'll be heading lower and really lower. Basically, what might happen here is retest and close below this based on what I can see here. So, well, we could use a 10 pip self stop at 120.60 and aim for that would be quite small, 120.40. But to be on the safer side, I think we should just wait for that break and close below this. Once we have a break and close below 120.285, once we can break and close below it, we'll just wait a small retest of this and be aiming for 119.35. Once we break and close below this, no matter how small the close is, excuse me, we're looking forward to this next port of call. But if we keep our eyes on the big picture, we could also have a break above, break and close above, and we need to head higher. But I believe more in the sell. Why? We have a double, or let's say triple top here, tested once, twice, three times, and the three times you have a second evidence of having a very strong bearish engulfing candle here, and the price action yet has not closed above this yet, so we could still see this move downwards before we head higher. It's still a possibility, but what will confirm our long-term bias as in based on price action will be a break and close below this low, a break and close above this high. This candle is the critical candle we're looking at. The lows of the candle is the high and the low of the candle engulfs almost the whole candles in this range. Maybe except this one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one whole week's movement is engulfed by this candle. So I still have a bearish bias in this, seeing us hit this point before we go higher. Yeah, we could even place ourselves stop below this and see prices come low to this point before we head higher. Of course, based on price action, we've broken and closed above this. The next is to go higher, but based on this consolidation here, I expect another move inside here. I'll begin to look for reversal candles. Maybe we could even see prices get to 119.7580. Yeah, it's still a possibility. Yeah, we could see prices get there, and once we begin to come lower, begin to look for reversal candles around this area. From that 119.65 area, the least we'll be looking at is 119.35 before we head higher. Now, Euro USD, let's look at what we have here. Good. Like I said, I was looking forward to a small retest and coming downwards, but we went far above the 50% retracement I suggested for our correction. Now, where price is, we might see prices heading higher, but it won't go higher without a retracement. There will be a retracement here. See up to about 50% of this candle before we head higher. Let's look at the daily. Okay, daily is giving us something that looks like a double top. And with this candle, the price action on Friday, we might have a gap up. Depends on what prices do. But I see prices continue higher. Maybe have a retracement, but I think we should have more bullish moves to the upside. And the next key level of resistance is at 1.1260. That's where our next port of call is. Yeah, I think we should see continuation from here upwards. Price, I think it will go up and just do something like this. Go up, trace here, and head up this way. So we could place a 10 pips buy stop above this high. The high is at 1.11718. The 10 pip buy stop, we can place it at 1.1180 or 11885 and head for 1.1260. Let's look at one more pair, and that will be that for this analysis. Odd JPY. Let me remove some of these. Good. Now let's look at the top down analysis. We We've hardly touched the Australian dollar pairs. Now, what do we have here? Price action is telling us we will still be going higher. We might have a small retracement down, just a small minor one to this point, and continue higher. That's what price action is telling me. Let's look at the daily. Okay, we have bearish engulfing here. So what can we have here? Sufficiently prices can come to this point. If we break and close below this one, we'll be coming lower, but I think on the whole, my C prices test this area and head higher, just around here at 73.90 area. So wait for the retest. We begin to look for bullish signals around here, reversals, and resumed momentum upwards around this region. On the contrary, if we see a break and close below this low, we'll look forward to prices coming in to 72.70 or 72.80. It is a break and close below this point here. That's at 73.96. It is a break and close below it. Basically, if what prices I see price doing, we might retest. We are supposed to retest this high. But if we break and close above it, we'll be heading higher to our next level of resistance, and which should be at looking forward to prices getting to 75.50 area. Once it goes above this, we're looking forward to it in 75.50 area. Once we go higher. All right, that will be that for the week. Like you know, trading is a risky business. You need to take informed trades. It might not be suitable for everyone. And what I've given here is not an investment advice, but it's more for educational purposes. I was supposed to do that at the beginning of the video, but we still get the information now. So I wish you all a great trading week. Well, I expect you to click the video if you find this beneficial to you, and also leave your comments. Maybe you want me to look at some more pairs than what I've given or what I do give for the week. I think I'll look at that and then follow up with you, and click subscribe to get videos as I post them. But for now, I'll say have a great trading week. You can also reach me on my Telegram channel, which will be in the post below if you want further details on how to make such informed decisions in the market. You can always reach me. So for now, have a great trading week.